Hi guys, welcome to India Lifestyle. Today I'll be surprising my children with their favorite Dal palak. And here I have 1 cup of dal, tur dal, palak. This is from my garden. 2 onion, 2 tomato, 2 green chili, and for tadka, seasoning, 1 tablespoon of jeera, red chili, curry patta. Boil it 4 to 5 whistles. Add water and boil it. Close it with the lid. Let's check the dal. It's cooked now. Add chopped onion, tomato and chili to the dal. Add some more water. Add a pinch of turmeric powder for the color. This is optional. Even this is boiled, you can, once it is cooled, you can blend it. Blend it. Take a kadai, add oil, mix jeera, curry patta and red chili. You can boil it for a while, then add salt. Add dal to the rice.